In furtherance to curtail all forms of criminality in Ogun State, it has facilitated the Eagle Crime Awareness and Prevention Initiative, ECAPI, led by the founder, Ambassador Eniola Samuel, and all their management team members to pay a courtesy visit to the Ogun State Commissioner of Police, CP Alamitu Abiodun Mustafa. Arriving in Elewero, Abeokuta, the delegates were warmly received by the Ogun Police spokesperson, SP Omolala Odutola, while commending ECAPI on their recent tremendous achievements over the years. However, following the exclusive interaction, CP Alamitu spelled out areas of challenges and concentration at the moment being faced by the Ogun communities, which centered on cultism, land grabbing, and kidnapping, also applauding the visitation and the initiative of ECAPI.
Ogun State, like I always say, is indeed very safe, but not without, but I should not be misconstrued to mean that we don't have our own challenges. Basically, the challenges we have here revolve around cultism, land grabbing, and kidnapping. Kidnapping, we have been able to box into a corner because for the past 6 weeks, we have not had recorded any case of kidnapping.
Reacting to the subject above, the founder of ECAPI, Ambassador Eniola Samuel, reiterated the commitment and selflessness of service to humanity to secure lives and properties of the Ogun communities on behalf of detective officers under ECAPI situated in Ogun State.
For the past few days now, I've not seen the reporting again. I fear that there is peace in Ogun State. Because 3 weeks ago was very hot. Crime report from Ogun State to Ogun State. Some people called me. You know that the law enforcement there, we have 4 IG there. And all the OCPs, they are there. Your PPRO, you know them. They are on that platform. All of them, they are saying, what is happening in Ogun State? That's why I use that language there. That it's like all the criminals in other states have migrated to move to Ogun State as their hideouts. And thank God that we have a working CP who is busting the crimes in the state.
The high point of the visit was the presentation of an award to the CP, signifying his excellent performance since his assumption of duties in Ogun State, including the Ogun Police spokesperson also. From Elewero, Abeokuta, Jennifer Nwosu reporting for Newsbuster TV.